Good morning, everyone. This is Cherie Lynn for Just Nailed It. Today I'm making an early St. Patty's Day manicure. As you can see, I'm pretty much done, but I wanted to show you on this finger the last of what I had to do. When you start out, you take masking tape, or could use painter's tape. Tape off half your nail. Could leave 3/4 of it out, whichever you prefer. Do it diagonally. You take your green and you paint what is bare. Underneath, make sure you have your base coat. Can't forget that one. When that is dry, take your black striping polish. Make 2 lines down, 2 lines across. Wait for those to dry. Then you take your white striping polish. Do the exact same thing with that. This last finger here should be dry now, so I'm going to do that on camera, or attempt to. It's really easy. I found this on Pinterest. So this is me versus Pinterest. And there we go. In the negative space that is left, if you have any nail stickers, nail vinyls, you could put a 4-leaf clover up there. I currently do not have said products. No stamping plates, nothing. I am working on that for my next manicure for St. Patty's Day. Hope you've learned something through this. Hope you like the design. It's not as good as the one on Pinterest, but I tried. Have a good day and have a blessed day. Thank you. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and give a big thumbs up. Any comments are welcome down below. Bye-bye.